welcome back to my channel. Last night I did my pork. I marinate as I told you last night, and now I use my olive oil. I use two oils, olive oil, and then I'm going to use my coconut oil. I put two oils together because these two oils are good oil. They're good for you, and it's one of the best oils. So I mix them together because the coconut oil is very healthy, and also it gives a little flavor to your meat, whatever meat you're doing. You can use whatever oil you want. It's all good. And so I start putting in. You have to make your oil your pot very hot, and then you put your oil. And after you put your oil, I start putting in some already, but I'm going to show you after your oil, you just take up your pork chops and you put it in. And you do all of this until everything is done. You put it aside in a container. Then you get some hot water, a cup and a half, put it in your pot, put everything, put the seasoning and everything, put the seasoning with everything in your pot, cover it, let it simmer, turn on your oven for 475, cover it, and for about 10 minutes, take off the cover and let it brown, and voila, you have your pork chops. I'm cooking and I'm enjoying my Alexa with some nice Christian music. I know I didn't tell you guys, but I'm a born again Christian. I'm a Christian, so you know, Christians can have fun too, right? We can dance and have fun too, and I'm cooking my pork. Still, it's browning. Can you see how pretty it is? So I'm about to put my warm water in with my seasoning, like my onion and stuff that I show you that I marinated in. And then after, I'll put it in my oven for about half an hour, and I'll show you the finished product. Yeah, if you look, it's getting brown and nice. You don't want it too brown, you know, don't make it get black, just brown, because, you know, it won't taste good if you do that. Get it moving. Well, I'm enjoying myself. I'm dancing in my kitchen, having some fun, and cooking away, cooking my pork chops. Now I put my water in, and it's getting there. It's browning and looking pretty. I'm going to put it in the oven soon for about half an hour, 450, and let it brown, and then you can take it out and have a wonderful meal. So I'm finished making my pork chops, and if you look how colorful, how pretty it is. And alongside I made some macaroni and cheese. I told you that I am watching what I eat. I'm on call it a diet, but my children, I cannot starve them. I have to give them some macaroni and cheese and some rice sometimes, but this macaroni and cheese looks very good, very tempting, isn't it? And here I have I put my gravy, you know, here, so you don't have to dig into the pork to get the gravy. The gravy is right there. And so I'm gonna have a wonderful meal today. You can have your meat with some vegetable, or you can have it with some salad if you are watching what you eat, watching your diet a little bit. You can do that. I'm gonna have some roasted vegetable with mine. I'm gonna put it in the oven with some olive oil and some, I might show you guys that later, my roasted veggie that I'm gonna have with my meal. Subscribe and like and hit the notification bell, and YouTube would really appreciate it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Mwah.